If you're about to buy a budget OPPO phone, then wait, don't let shopkeepers push old 2025 stock on you. OPPO just completely reset the sub 15K segment with a massive batteries and military grade durability. Today we are counting down top 3 best OPPO phones that are launched in 2026 and comes under price of 15,000 rupees. For all the phones, I have provided link in the description and also tagged in this video. For any queries, please comment in the comment section. I will reply you there. OPPO K13X 5G. The OPPO K13X 5G. If you're tired of your phone dying with less battery life, this is your solution. Packing a huge 6000 mAh of battery with a 45W super fast charging, it lasts on easily 2 days. It runs on Dimensity 6300 chip, perfect for scrolling and casual gaming. It comes with a 50MP main shooter, gives you very crisp daylight shots with OPPO's signature flattering skin tones. In low light, it needs to be a steady hand, but for daily social media posts, it's highly dependable. OPPO A5X. At number 2, we have OPPO A5X. This phone is built for rugged field worker or clumsy user. It features an IP-rated armored body that shrugs off accidental slips. You get 6GB RAM, a gorgeous 120Hz smooth display, and another 6000 mAh of battery. It uses 32MP AI setup. It's heavily optimized for natural contrast and zero shutter lag during daytime, meaning it captures moving objects flawlessly. OPPO K14X 5G, taking the undisputed number 1 spot, is the ultimate budget monster, the OPPO K14X 5G. OPPO went absolutely crazy here, and we are looking at the mind-boggling 6500 mAh of battery paired with 45W charging, backed by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor. It pushes an Antutu score of 5,60,000. It doesn't stutter, it doesn't overheat, and it refuses to die. It comes with a 50MP ultra clear lens features, upgraded by its AI features, and AI night algorithm is amazing. It reduces green dramatically in low light indoor environments. If you want the most futuristic long lasting OPPO phone, then this is it.